Hello everyone. In this session again I'm going to explore about the string methods. Some more string methods we'll go through. We'll create the two object again, str1. Now I'll write some different string, welcome. To IT tools. Now string provides us the concat method. Concat method does the concatenation of the two strings. If I want to display this welcome to IT tools together, then we can use the concatenation function. Now if I print str, what do you think? It will return the concatenated result or it will give the same welcome only? So it will return simply the welcome, because as we know that string is immutable object, so it will not change this both the object. If we want to see the concatenated result, either we have to save it into one string or we'll directly print here. Now it will show the concatenated result. Okay. Now we can replace the characters. Now replace also provides us the different methods. Replace char, old char with the new char. Then we can replace first, then we can replace all, and then we can, that's it. Now this replace, you can see here only replace, for that we have to pass the char argument. So if I want to replace O with the first argument is old character and the new argument we can say the dollar, for str2 will do that. Okay, so for in place of O, the dollar is replaced. Then we'll see the replace first. Replace first, to this we have to pass the string argument. Now if I want to replace again O only with hash, then we'll check the result. So it is replacing only the first occurrence of O. It is not replacing the all O's. If we only use the replace, it replacing the all characters. To this replace first, we can pass the string also. Replace all is also there. It takes the string argument. Suppose if I'll pass TT with @. So it is replacing TT with @. Now it provides us the length method. Using that we can check the number of characters in that string. So 10 characters are present in my string 2. It counts the space also. Now if I want my string in lowercase, then the lowercase to lowercase method is there, which converts your all the letters in the small letter. Uppercase, which converts your all the letters in the uppercase, that means capital letter. You can see the result. The first lowercase is displaying all the characters in the small, and the uppercase is displaying all the characters in the capital letter. Now another method is contains. Using contains we can check that is the particular character string is present in the string or not. So if I want to check the OO is present in the string or not, so we'll specify the OO. It will always return the true or false result. If it is present, it will return a true. If it is not, it will return a false. So OO is present. Is empty is also one method. We can check that is the string is empty or not. If string contains 0 characters, it will return the true. If string contains the characters, it will return the false. So false. str2 is containing some characters. If we remove this, okay. We'll take one more variable. Okay, now it is returning true because there is nothing in that object. Now suppose if I have string str4 is equal to new string, and in that I'll specify the welcome, and if I compare this using the equals method, check what will happen. So it is returning the true, and if I want it as a reference or a object, in that case what we can do, we can take it as a we can take the reference of that string using the intern. If I do it here 5, Okay, result will be same, but this is returning the reference of that particular and considering it as a object. If we check this, str4 equal to str1. Now it is returning the false, but if I write here 5, then we'll check. Again false, because the reference is different, hash code is different, but content is same, still it is returning the false. Interns we usually use to take the reference of the particular string. And if the reference is not present, it will create this memory space for that particular string. Now, join method. Join method joins the two string using the some character delimiter, we can say. String dot join. Okay, so you can see here the result. The two different strings we are joining using some delimiter. The first argument must be your delimiter, and after that the string which you want to join. Now the trim method. Trim method removes the spaces not in between, but if you have a space in left start or in the end, then it will remove that space before trim. After trim. You can see the difference. See here it is showing the space, but here using the trim we can remove that space. So trim is to remove the space but not in between the first and last space. Like we have taken the character array completely into the string, like that we can convert the strings into the char array using the toChar array method. String char array. I can take it into the char array using toChar array method. So using for each loop will display this. Okay. So you can see here we converted the string into the character array and we are displaying that using the loop, enhanced for loop. Like the char array, if we have many words in our string, welcome to IT Tools, you are learning Java. Now if I want that words in array, in that case also we can take it in string array using, and we can split that using the split method. So now we'll split this using the space. You can split using any character. So splits will split your string using the character which you have passed as argument. So you can see here all the values from that array. Okay. So these are the basic methods which I have shown you. There are some more methods also there. I want you to try the methods which are remaining, and that methods we can see the value of method returns a string representation of the particular value, and that value can be int, long, float, double, char. If I want the double as a string, then I can pass the argument double to that value of method. Code point at, which returns the ASCII value of that particular character which you are going to pass to that method. So try this method, and if you have any doubt till now, you can post it in a comment. Thank you very much.